Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you are doing well. My dear children, now without delaying, let us go to our topic in English, class 1, lesson number 18, Clever Chicks. What is the lesson name children? Clever Chicks. See children, clever means, can anyone tell clever? You are a clever boy, clever girl. We are telling no. Clever means very smart, intelligent. What children? Intelligent. Clever means intelligent or very smart. So in this lesson, I want to tell you a small story. So in this story, there are two birds. What children? In this story, there are two birds. First bird is hen. Its name is Ginny. Jinny, Ginny. Second bird is duck. Its name is Dimmy. Dimmy, Dimmy. Its name is Dimmy. Ginny has 5 chicks and Dimmy has 6 ducklings. What children? Ginny has 5 chicks. See the picture children. Ginny has 5 chicks and Dimmy has 6 ducklings. Ducks. Baby ducks. Baby ducks we call it as ducklings. Okay. They were very helpful, very friendly and very close to each other. One day, Dimmy and Jimmy want to go to the market to buy something. Children, they want to go to the market to buy something. So they said to their babies, close the door and be inside. Don't open the door and don't come outside. Like this, they gave some instructions to their babies and went to the market and buy popcorns and balloons. See children, my children, they went to the market to buy popcorns and balloons. Meanwhile, what happened children? There is a cat. It is very naughty cat. Yes, it is a very naughty cat and wants to eat chicks and ducklings. See here, that Ginny and Dimmy, they went to the market, no? That all the cat observed and they want to eat chicks and ducklings. So the cat knocked the door. What children? The cat knocked the door. Yes? Then the children think that, Array, just now our parents, Ginny and Dimmy, they went to the market, no? How they will come back very soon? So that chicks and ducklings saw the cat from the window. What children, what they done? They saw the cat from the window and they thought that, oh, here the cat wants to eat us. So that chicks and ducklings have an idea to escape from the cat. What children? They want to escape from the cat. So how they escape? See, here, so the chicks and ducklings wears a dreadful or fearful mask on their faces and open the door. Suddenly, what happened children? Here, the chicks and ducklings, they wear a dreadful or fearful mask on their faces and open the door suddenly. By seeing that, the cat ran away. See children, what happened here? By seeing that all the chicks and ducklings, they put on mask, no children. So that's why the cat saw this all and ran away. Like this, chicks and ducklings saved their lives. After some time, Dimmy and Ginny came from the market. Then chicks and ducklings said about the whole story, how they saved their life bravely. Both Dimmy and Ginny felt very happy and they gave balloons and popcorns to their babies. Yes, children. like this. This is the story of clever chicks. Now what is the moral, children, here? Suppose if you get any problem or situation comes, don't scared of it. You should solve the problem bravely so that you will get success. Yes, children, this is the lesson. Now we will read the lesson. Come on, children. See on the screen. See, clever chicks. A brown hen and a white duck are friends. Ginny, hello, I am a hen. Dimmy, hello, I am a duck. There are 6 ducklings. I am the mother. Yes, Ginny, there are 5 chicks. I am the mother. Dimmy, come, Ginny, we go to the market. Chicks, we want popcorns. Ducklings, we want balloons. Dimmy, you sit in the house. Ginny, you are good children. They go to the market. A clever cat looks at the chicks and the ducklings. Cat, they are nice. They are soft. Who said these words? Cat. I want to eat them. What, children? I want to eat them. Knock, knock. The chicks and the ducklings see from the window. Chicks and ducklings see the cat. Shh. Yes, it is a good trick. What, children? Yes, it is a good trick. They open the door. All come with mask. Bo, oh, how, caw, cat. Like that. Ginny and Dimmy come back. They all dance in the garden. They get the balloons and popcorns. Ducklings, you are so nice, Mama. Chicks, thank you. Thank you, Mama. Ginny and Dimmy, we love you. You are brave. What, children? What they said? You are brave. Then, yes, this is the lesson. Children, once you read this lesson one time. Okay, this is your homework. Bye, children. See you tomorrow.